Asrar Roy, and I am the academic coordinator of GULMIT Youngsters Sports Club and Students Welfare Organization, and I'm an artist. So today I will tell you about the GULMIT ONDRA poigah project. So this project is actually initiated by GULMIT Youngsters Club and Student Welfare Organization along with the Bulbulik Heritage Center. So let me tell you a little bit about the history of this project. So actually we have a fort, and the fort is up over there, and the name of the fort is ONDRA FORT. So we were thinking to build some sort of connection and to make some sort of connection to the fort. And then we find out that with the community service, with the community's help, this project is going to be successful. So we collaborated and we requested the community of GULMIT to help and to make this project successful. So we actually started the work, and it took around 18 to 20 days to make it 80% complete. So it is now 80% almost complete, and work is still in progress. So these steps we are planning to make is around 2,500 or 3,000 steps, which is I hope will be the most longest trek in Pakistan, and it will come in top 10 trek in GULMIT or in the world. So the community of GULMIT along with the Gojal community worked really hard. The volunteers worked really hard and made this project successful. So the community worked for around 18 days, and they worked 24 hours, 20 hours, and the women, the volunteers, the scouts, the elders, everyone participated in this project and made it almost complete. So it takes around 40 to 50 minutes. It depends upon the person to walk and to go up to the fort. And the fort is not in a good form. And the next project will be to complete the fort and to make it more beautiful, so that tourists should attract toward the fort. So the main, I can say, the main theme or the main thing to make this fort or to make this project is to attract tourists, to attract people, to connect with each other, so that we should take care of our health, we should take care of each other, and we should live a happy life together. Thank you.